if iPhone wallpaper is turning black, then what is the fix? So the very first fix is make sure you don't have sleep mode active. Just disable sleep mode and try again and see whether it works or not. Most probably it will work. Now the second thing is, what you can do, you can forcefully restart your iPhone. Okay, so how to do that? So press the volume up button once and down button once, and then press and hold the right side key. Do not leave the right side key unless you see the iPhone logo in between the screen. Okay, so keep it pressed, wait for a few seconds and see if you can see the iPhone logo. Yeah, once you see it, leave it. So you have successfully forcefully restarted your iPhone, and now see whether your issue gets resolved or not. Now if the issue is still not getting resolved, you're seeing wallpaper turning black from time to time in your iPhone, then what may happen that your image has got corrupt. So what you can do, you can just lock your phone and then long press on anywhere on this. Okay, and just scroll up and delete that particular wallpaper. It may have got corrupt. And now select any wallpaper which you want by adding the plus sign, and whatever wallpaper you want, just select it and tap on add. So just deleting that particular wallpaper and ending up with a new fresh wallpaper will resolve this issue. If this is also not resolving your issue, what you can do, you can try updating your iPhone. So just go to settings, go to general, tap on software update, and if there are any software updates, please update your iPhone to the latest version. Thanks for watching. Please do like the video.